Hey everyone, Metaverse Philosopher here again today. Going to do a review of the Vision Pro app, a cozy Loona. Alrighty, so you open the app. It's pretty cool. You have this kind of 2D window along with a little 3D avatar Loona here. Look at this. Looks really cute actually. And I just noticed before I dive into some of these different spatial puzzles that you can build, it looks like this app does have a premium feature where you can buy different cosmetics and wearables for your Loona. And I imagine, it creates a much more personalized touch as you navigate with this app more. So let's go ahead and look through the different dioramas they have here. Wow. Music corner, warmth of home, let's grab a bite, level and retro. Wow, really cool stuff here. I'm a big fan of UFOs, so let's do this Grand Theft Cow. And let's restart this one. So it's kind of a really cool application they built here. You're able to sort of rotate these images of, basically the projection of what the 3D asset would look like, and then you can just drag and click where this piece is supposed to be. And when it clicks in, you hear this very satisfying sound effects, essentially. Let's see this one here. Looks like it goes right here. And I can hear some music very lightly in the background. Yeah, it is very satisfying as you click these in, and it just latches into place. And look at this effect here. You can see this like projection of where the 3D asset's supposed to be. I can actually see through it and see the rugs. So this definitely is like an application that's meant for augmented reality. You actually can't do the virtual environments if you try to. That's something I've noticed about Vision Pro is some of the apps allow you to concurrently have a virtual environment at the same time, like Beautiful Things, as it was in my previous video. But others, like this one, a cozy Loona, you can only have this one app open at the same time. Wow. Okay, let's see. This one looks like it might go right here. There we go. This is very relaxing. I will say, there's a lot of different puzzle games that are on the Vision Pro store right now that have this similar kind of drag and drop and rotate mechanism. But this one, to me, feels like it has the most unique themes about it, and it's just very, very relaxing to do this, I have to admit. All right, let's see where this goes. Interesting. Okay, let's start out with the rocks actually first. This last piece goes right here. Wow, so you see all these, again, level 3 of this one puzzle. All these rocks come up, and then you kind of have to make sense of the volumetric space to kind of know where this fits in. This one's a little hard. There's a lot of rocks on this level. Let's try it with some of the bigger pieces. See if I can figure it out. Yeah, and this is one feature I really like about the Vision Pro is, you basically have a computer with a very high resolution screen anywhere you want to go. So, if you want to basically use a computer outside, like this is not something that I would be able to do. I mean, even with a laptop, it's kind of hard to see with the glare outdoors. I love being outside, so, this product has been a very good use case for me, basically, to take it anywhere I want to go. Wow, look at that. Yeah, and look how beautiful some of this looks. Yeah, one thing I'm really curious about this app is like, it's basically a puzzle building app, and we see the Loona character kind of at the beginning when you load it up, but where I'm not really sure where you interact with it outside of sort of the intro. It kind of feels to me like as the developer team was working on this, there might have been sort of different, product ideation that they did as they developed different features for the app, and maybe Loona and the character building was one aspect, and then like this puzzle building was another aspect that they saw was a very easy and good use case proven in the market for different applications we've seen on this. So yeah, I'm really curious to see like if the Loona character like pops up once I finish this puzzle. Wow. The animations they did are very satisfying, I have to say. They've done a very good job. Just making it feel immersive and like creating a separate virtual world outside of your own. It's something that they've done very well. I would love to see more animations, and like, if there were different kind of critters or characters that were walking around as I'm building this that look at you and make it more interactive. I think that would be a really cool next step here. Okay, looks like we're getting close to the actual UFOs now. Wow, that's cool how the tree kind of wiggles like that. Brings a lot of life into it. Do you guys prefer to be in full virtual reality or augmented reality? Personally, I'm kind of a big full virtual reality guy. I want to be in my own virtual space. Like, I don't necessarily want to be in the real world as I'm using a lot of these apps. But I've heard both ways, and people feel strongly in both directions. Wow, here we go. Wow, look at this UFO probe here. Place that right on top of there. And now here is the leaves that are being suspended by the anti-gravity technology from the UFO. Oh, nice. Look at this. I'll have to make a video on aliens sometime. I've been a very, very big, theorist on aliens for, at this point, like maybe like 20 years. It's very interesting. They always end up looking like these grays. Just like in the sci-fi, that's kind of how the real world is occurring. Alright, and here's the cow. This should be the final step. Wow, look at those fireworks. Absolutely beautiful. Like, I love what they do with different particle systems in some of these Vision Pro apps that I've used. I feel like that's really the future of some of the killer apps and use cases is I want to see something super cool on the screen, like fireworks that project. This is a great start, though. I'd love to see how this developer continues to build on this to create different types of animations and different storylines. All right, thanks for tuning in. See you all next time.